Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Doing a graphics card update today, upgrade I should say, for my son's computer. He currently has a GTX 950, which is a 4 or 5-year-old video card. So going to be transitioning him over to a RTX 2060. It's a pretty substantial upgrade, coming from a 2 GB GTX 950 to a RTX 2060 6 GB. I know lately he's been saying some of his games have been sluggish, which is probably due to that 950. So yeah, this should fix any of those issues. Currently, he's got 16 gigs of RAM, Corsair, I think it's 3200, maybe it's 3600, can't remember. Processors an AMD 5600X, 6-core. Yeah, also going to be changing the cooler at the same time because I have a vertical GPU mount, which I'm going to put in here. So yeah, it'll look nice after it's done. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to unbox the card. See if I can do this one-handed. Now this is a last generation. It's not the latest Geforce card that's out there, but it's still a pretty powerful card, the 2060. You know, they have the 3060s out right now, but like I said, you can't get any of the latest graphics cards. And even if you could get them, you'd be paying double or triple the price. So this will be a pretty substantial upgrade for him. Yeah. Right. Don't need the box. Yeah, this is the Strix variant. So I do like this Asus Strix variants. They're a little nicer. They have, you know, a lot better cooling. So, and I think this one requires just a 6-pin PCI power connector. So there we go. Not much in the box. We're not using the CD. There's nothing there. Yeah. I don't know what that's. Oh, cable management, I guess. Oh, sorry. Cable management. And on the graphics card itself, like I said, this one's nice. It's got the metal backplate, and it's a triple fan design. It's pretty beefy heatsink, but let me take it out of the package and get a better look at it. Actually, let me So back of the card, nice design. I think it has some built-in LEDs, which is why I'm going to vertically mount it so that you can more show off the card than just having it sit vertically. And then if you mount it vertically, you don't have to worry about the GPU sag because it's such a heavy card. Guess you got a button to turn on the off and on the LEDs. You have a BIOS switch. I think that's for performance mode and overclock mode. This is the overclocked variant of the card. For ports, you have 2 HDMI and 2 display ports. I believe the display ports are 1.4 and HDMI is 2.0. Yeah, pretty, I guess, basic design. I believe there's some LEDs built into there. And then over here, you got your 6-pin PCI Express connector. Like I said, there's different variants of this card, but I like the Strix versions. They're really built well, a lot of support. You can see the beefy heatsink in there. VRM cooling. So yeah, it should be a nice performance upgrade for him. First thing I'm gonna do is pop out the old graphics card, the GTX 950. Gotta get the little lever down here that's holding it in. So you can see it there. It's not a bad card, EVGA. I think this is the super clocked edition. Alright, had to flash forward a bit. Got the upgrade done, but I ran into an issue, which is why I had to cut the upgrade video short a bit. I was missing the AMD bracket that goes in the back, so I could mount the cooler. I think a few months ago I accidentally thrown that out, and so yeah, I threw a different port in there that I had. So things look a little different, but yeah, you can see like I'm playing Grand Theft Auto 5 right now, and the fans aren't even spinning. That's because I got the two fans that are pulling air in and blowing cool air on the card, and then I got two more fans up top exhausting, so that's pulling air off the card. And then I also have the two fans in the front from the attached to the radiator, and those are also blowing cool air through the card. And because of you can see the heatsink fins, they're going vertical, so you know, the air from down here is going straight through. That's why, you know, Grand Theft Auto, it's crazy, like the fans aren't even spinning. Been playing it for about a half hour and the fans haven't even turned on at all. So yeah, overall it's a nice upgrade. 6 gigs of video memory instead of the 2, and a lot more powerful GPU. So yeah, looks nice. Changed the theme to blue instead of the regular RGB colors. But yeah, anyways, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments, and I'll try to get to them. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.